You manage an Azure Virtual Desktop environment where users connect through Intune-managed devices. You're tasked with creating a conditional access policy called Policy 1. This policy must enforce two specific controls, requiring multi-factor authentication and ensuring that devices are marked as compliant. You need to assign the correct policy setting category for these requirements from the following options. Option A, Conditions, specifically for device platforms. Option B, Grant. Option C, Session Controls. And Option D, Target Resources. To understand this, consider that Microsoft Entra Conditional Access functions like an automated gatekeeper. It evaluates various signals to decide whether to grant or block access. Within the policy structure, you distinguish between the who and where of the access request and the security criteria that must be proven before entry is allowed. Think about whether these specific security mandates fall under defining the scope of the request or the mandatory criteria that must be met to proceed.
I believe the correct answer is that both requirements fall under option B, Grant. In Microsoft Entra Conditional Access, the grant control is specifically designed for defining access requirements that must be satisfied before a user can reach a target resource. Since requiring multi-factor authentication and enforcing device compliance are both mandatory security hurdles, they are configured here.
The other options are incorrect because they serve different purposes. Conditions, like device platforms, define the policy's scope. Session controls are used for specific browser experiences or sign-in frequency. Finally, target resources identify which applications or services the policy protects. A helpful tip for the exam is to remember that grant controls are the what must happen, while conditions are the when and where.